Analytics. As we mentioned above in your lesson, Google Analytics is a way for whoever is watching a website to be able to track who is looking at the website. And by tracking, I mean by checking on the demographics, age, interests, anything that people have really searched in their web browser can be pulled by Google, and then we can categorize and identify the people in the general sense who is looking at our website. So the first thing that you need for this is you do need to have a Gmail account, which is obviously free. And then you need to set up your Google Analytics account. So I'm going to go here. I Googled Google Analytics, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm already logged into my Google account. So that's set up. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to, if I didn't have an account already set up, I already do, so I don't have to worry about that. Right here I have my Tamusa 2019. You may have to, since you don't have an account set up, go ahead and create an account and just call it whatever you want. I called mine Tamusa 2019. And then what you're going to have to do after you create your account is you're going to go in here and you're going to create your property, which is most important. And so here's my account. I created my Tamusa 2019 account, so that is selected up here. So now I'm going to create a property, and really I just want this to be a website. I don't need it to be an app, so I'm not going to worry about that. A lot of apps that are on the web now have that are on your phone or on your tablet have a web backend, and so this is what it's talking about. You know, the web is whenever you schedule your doctor's appointment through your doctor's office through an app, that's actually going to a website to store and deal with all of the data. So right now I just want a website, so I'm going to go ahead and continue, and my website is going to be Subi, because that is the web page that I made. And here is my address, which I copied right from here. I'm going to have to go in and change this because you see it already has HTTP here, so I want to go ahead and take that off. If we had a secure service, we would be HTTPS, but we don't, so we're going to do that. Industry, let's just say arts and entertainment for lack of anything else. Our time is Central Time, which is Chicago time, and I'm going to go ahead and create that. I'm going to leave this open because I may need this tracking ID to copy and paste, but for now let's go ahead and go into my website here. I'm going to go into my dashboard. I want Subi's dashboard, not my network dashboard. Yours is going to look a little bit different because I'm the network administrator. Okay, so I have this, and I'm going to go into Insights because it's Monster Insights is the plugin that we will be using for to deal with our Google Analytics. So I can go ahead and I can just, here actually it said right up there, configure your Google Analytics. If I go back to the dashboard, it said that I could actually do that there too. But I am going to go ahead and I'm going to connect my Google Analytics and WordPress. So I'm going to click this. And it is set up with my Susan L. Escobar at Gmail account. And I'm going to go ahead and allow it. And since I have already created my account over here in my analytics, it should show up here. Subi, there it is right here, and I'm going to say all website data. Complete the connection. Got my green check mark, so I'm happy. There we go. Now I'm all connected. So now when I start having data and things, I'll be able to see I don't have any e-commerce on here, but I'll be able to see who's coming to my set and all that kinds of information as we go